Chapter 3, Poverty as a Challenge. In our daily life, we come across many people who we think are poor. They could be landless labor in villages or people living in our coded juggies in cities. They could be daily wage worker at construction site or child worker in dhabas. They could also be beggars with children in debtors. We see poverty all around us. The following issue related to poverty: landlessness, unemployment, size of family, illiteracy, poor health, malnutrition, child labor, helplessness. Social exclusion. According to this concept, poverty must be seen in terms of the poor having to live only in a poor surrounding, with other poor people excluded from enjoying social equality of better off people in better surrounding. Social exclusion can be both a cause as well as consequence of poverty in the usual sense. Vulnerability. Vulnerability to poverty is a measure which describes the greater probability of certain communities, say members of a backward caste or individual such as a widow or a physical handicapped person of becoming or remaining poor in the coming years. Vulnerability is determined by the option available to different communities for finding an alternative living in terms of assets, education, health, and job opportunities. Poverty line. At the center of the discussion on poverty is usually the concept of the poverty line. A common method used to measure poverty is based on the income or consumption level. A person is considered poor if his or her income or consumption level falls below a given minimum level necessary to fulfill the basic needs. Therefore, poverty line may vary with time and place. Each country uses an imaginary line that is considered approximate for its exciting level of development and its accepted minimum social norms. For example, a person not having a car in the United States may be considered poor. In India, owning of a car is still considered a luxury. Vulnerable groups. The proportion of people below poverty line is also not same for all social groups and economics category in India. Social groups which are most vulnerable to poverty are scheduled caste, scheduled tribe household. Similarly, among the economic groups, the most vulnerable groups are the rural agriculture labor household and the urban casual labor household. Graph given show 3.1 show the percentage of poor people in all these groups